all the way. Good. Drop my head. Relax. Okay, good.
A lot of people have this misconception that it's the bones kind of rubbing or grinding against each other. And you also hear some clicking, popping sounds. So that's all very normal, yeah? But that's not the case at all. Good. Actually, it's just sound of gas bubbles releasing from the fluid around the joint, so it's quite normal. And we actually have lots of different techniques that will suit people of different ages and shapes. And if you have certain conditions, we have other tools and tables to help you with that.
Deep breath in and out. Alright, good.
Pain often can be the last symptom of having a dysfunction. You might have problems like degeneration or misalignment for months or even years before you start having pain. If you don't have any pain, still come in for a checkup. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with you, but if there is, it's much easier for us to save your spine.
All the way, relax your shoulders. Really good. Relax your face.
1, 2. Okay, very good. Very good.